Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you fix this error that says your device is not compatible with this version. Now what does this error actually mean? Now basically this error basically means that when you are developing an Android app, you develop it for like there's a minimum required version for it. For example, if I were to launch an app, I would say Android 5 and above. So if anyone's using below Android 5, like Android 4 point whatever, they're not going to be able to install the app. So that is why you basically get this error, right? So how do we fix this? Well, first of all, it's pretty obvious that you need to update your Android's version, but in some cases there could be other reasons as well, such as your outdated Play Store. So first of all, we're gonna update our Play Store, right? We're gonna search for our Play Store. Rather, it's just right there on the home. I'm gonna open my Play Store, and then we're gonna navigate to our settings. Let's just give it a second. Not the most fastest phone. Okay, now we're on our settings. Oh, sorry. And we're gonna go to our settings right here, and then we're gonna go to the about section. And now it says here update Play Store right next to the Play Store version on the bottom. I'm gonna press that, and it says a new version of Google Play Store will be downloaded and installed, right? So this is your step one that you might want to try. So once you've updated it, you can update it. Okay, one more thing. For me, it is saying I have a button here that says update Play Store, but in case you're not having a button, you can always tap on the Play Store version, and it will either give you an option to update, or it's gonna give you some more options, and you can go inside and you can find the option to update your Play Store. Right, moving on. Now the next thing I want you guys to do is clear the cache of Play Store. Okay, now I'm on my settings here, and I'm gonna go to my app management, and thereon I'm gonna go to my app settings, I suppose, and I'm gonna find Google Play Store. I'm gonna search for wait, sorry. I'm gonna search for Play, and we have Google Play Store right here. And now I'm gonna go to my storage and cache, and I'm gonna clear my cache. And then what you want to do is you're gonna try to reopen your Play Store, and you want to see if now that app that you wanted to download and install is compatible or not. If it's not, don't worry, I still have a couple more things to show you guys. Next, we're gonna go to our settings, okay, and um, now this option is usually found in the bottom, but for some phones it might be on the top as well. Like for example, my phone settings are kind of distributed. Some options are here and some are on the way bottom. So usually you want to go to the system settings and you want to look for a system update. Now this is right here for me, and I'm gonna press that, and it says I get these options. Whatever the options are, don't want to pay attention to that. You basically just want to update your phone, right? I'm like, just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna press online update here, and it says, it gives me the update size, and it says the battery is too low. But other than that, what you want to do is you just want to update your phone, and that could possibly update your Android version as well, and which might lead to your phone supporting the app that you wanted to install. Okay, now, if all of this you have already tried and it's not working for you, there's one last thing that you could do, and that is by just checking what uh, Android version you are on, right? First thing that you want to do is check your Android version, right? So right now here it says Android version 11, right? So what do? I go to home. I go to my Google Chrome, and let's suppose you wanted to use a Facebook app. Download Facebook for Android version 11 APK. APK is basically a package name for Android apps. So they are basically installed from APKs. And now what you want to do is you want to search for any good APK site, and you want to just directly download the APK. So basically what Play Store does, it downloads the APK in a verified way because it's on Play Store, and it just installs it. So you can just go ahead and download it from the browser as well. But that's not the only thing that you want to do. You also want to give the phone permission that it can allow app installation from apps other than Google Play Store. So I'm going to go to my settings, and I'm going to go to my app management. I'm going to go to my special app access, and then here I find install unknown apps. Now here I'm going to select Chrome, and I'm going to press allow from this source. What basically I've done is that all the apps or anything that's downloaded from Chrome that can be installed on this phone. So I've just given it the access to download to install an unknown app if it's downloaded from Chrome. So that is all that you would want to try, because if none of this works, you just have to accept that you cannot run that app on your phone. So that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.